Welcome to level 61 of the Backrooms, the train. So, I was at level 60 until I ended up here. Hi. And then I slept in level 60, and I end up here in this infinite train or something. This level is a class 4, if I know correctly. It means it's not safe to be here. But it doesn't matter, because we can get out of here as soon as possible, right? At least I found some money. At least I found some money, though. That makes me happy. The further I go from level 61, the more dirtier it gets. So right now, everything seems normal. That could risk me in danger. Come on, exit. I think I'll fall. You never know. You never know. Oh, give me that. I was flying getting money in this level, because each money costs $1. So when I was wondering level 61, everything will start to change. Just look. Okay, we're going through this. Just okay, that's cool. Welcome to the age stay. The second section of level 61 appears to be an old train that seemed to be like the 50s or something, I'll say. This section is heavily dangerous with entities that wander around here. At least I found some currency. More money. Wait. Oh my god, the lag. I continue my journey through the age state. There's nothing here. More and more money was appearing out of nowhere. This was crazy. Getting so much money makes me be rich. Until I reached the end. We made it to the end, everyone. When I found a lot of money. And I escaped. When I escaped, I was taken to level 10.